What's up, y'all? It's your girl Miranda G here with another video. If you're new here, welcome. We would love for you to join the family, but you have to hit that red subscribe button. If you're not new and you're a returning viewer, welcome back, babes. It's so good to see you. All right, it's Saturday. We are actually getting our day started a little late. It is 2 p.m. I'm gonna head to Lowe's, maybe Home Depot. We'll see what that man say because he coming with me. But we definitely going to Home Depot because I have a, no, we're going to Lowe's because I have a gift card. And I need to get some mulch for my yard. So that is the plan. So see you at Lowe's. Right, y'all, so I am headed to HomeGoods. We did buy mulch. I did look at some flowers because I do want to plant like some flowers in the yard. I didn't buy anything. I didn't pull the trigger on that just yet, but I did get mulch because we definitely need mulch. I dropped Benny back home because I was pretty confident that he wasn't going to want to come to HomeGoods with me. And honestly, I'm just in a very like decor mood. I bought a couple of things on Wayfair today because they're having a sale. It's a table, I did a mirror, I did a picture light that I'm going to put above the mirror, I did buy an olive tree, and curtains. So I bought 5 things and I'm so excited because I just feel like I kind of put decorating my house on the back burner, but now that also too, life was lifing, so a lot of things came before decorating the house. But now that we're a year in and we're feeling good, we've been able to like build our savings up a little bit, I am just doing it a section at a time. So right now the main focus is that wall. It's right off of the staircase, so that is the focus for now, and that's kind of how I've been playing it. I am just going to do it like piece by piece. I got a lot of my big stuff out the way, like we have a table, we have a couch, we have a fireplace, finally got a guest bed. I don't know if I showed y'all that yet. We have a guest bed, my mattress came. So now that we have a lot of the big stuff out of the way, now I can truly get into decorating how I want the house to look. So now that I know that those 5 things are on the way, I went to go buy HomeGoods to see what they have and just to get a little bit more inspo. I haven't been to HomeGoods in a while. Real excited. And yeah, so headed to HomeGoods, had to get gas first, and then after HomeGoods I'm gonna go to Publix. If y'all don't know, Publix has the best fried chicken. B, you want some fried chicken? I went to the liquor store too because me and B like to keep Don Julio in the house. I don't know what it is about the Don, but it is just a good staple to have. I don't know, it mixed well with everything. Good smooth shot if you just need a shot. We are a Don Julio household. So I did buy some Don Julio just for us to keep in the house. And now I'm about to go to HomeGoods and I'm gonna bring y'all with me. Ooh, my hand itching. Hope that means I'm about to run into some money. I receive it, Lord. All right, let's go. Y'all, I would love one of these. I like these ones for like the cakes that I bake, but that's not why we're here. But I thought that was so cute, and I'm kind of going for that like modern organic theme in my house now. At first I thought I wanted to do all modern, like I really thought I wanted to do neutrals and black, but now I'm thinking I kind of want brass, also black, because like my furniture's black, so that would be more like structure, but like greenery, still want the neutrals. They are yelling, I don't know why. Yeah, and like the woods, trying to just bring all of that together. But that stuck out to me because I do need to bake a cake today. But when I shop, I like to go through all the aisles, even though this is not what I'm shopping for. Like, I see some wine glasses that I want. I see some glasses that I want, but that's not why we're here. But it's good to have an idea. It's good to see what you like, you know? Okay, let's keep going. So y'all, look at this lamp. Oh, I love it. It's so big. I don't know if it's gonna be too big though for my console table. I'm not sure, but I love this. Not a bad price either. It's $60, but I love that. There's another one over here too.
Things I've got to tell you, but I'm afraid I don't know how. 'Cause there's a possibility that you look at me differently, love. Ever since the first
Little bit. I didn't buy anything. I am gonna wait until my table comes in so I can really see like the width and the length and truly like how much room that I have and how big of a lamp I need to get before I pull that trigger. But I really did like those that I showed y'all. Those were cute. I really did like those. So at least we know we have somewhere we can get lamps from. I'm here for that. I did walk into Ross, but I have a post that is scheduled to post on Instagram. Let me just say, if you are a content creator but you also work a full-time job, scheduling content has truly been a game changer for me. I love scheduled content. Now, mind you, I do not schedule it like months or weeks in advance. I typically do like 2 days at the most, only because when I post it, I want the song to still be trending, and you know, trends can change very quickly. So typically 2 to 3 days at most, I go ahead and schedule the content beforehand. So yeah, I didn't have any service, and I really wanted to make sure that I put the recipe in the comments. I reposted, I put it on my story. So I really wanted to go into Ulta, but content comes first. Sorry. So yeah, had to make sure I had this together. So we'll go to Ulta another time. I'm gonna go to Publix and get some chicken. But right now, while I got some AC blowing on me, while I got some service, I'm just trying to make sure that everything is good with what I posted. Something else that I probably need to implement, I need to like set a reminder. Like after I schedule it, I need to set a reminder like, hey, your video is gonna post on Instagram at 5:30. Just so I can do this stuff. Like normally, like if you start the engagement early, like pinning like the recipe, reposting it yourself, like it kind of like initiates Instagram to like push it out. So yeah, I try to get that stuff out the way early. Okay, y'all, let's head to Publix and get some chicken. Y'all, I secured the fried chicken. If y'all haven't had Publix fried chicken, y'all need to go. I'm for real. Y'all need to go get some Publix fried chicken. It's good. But now that I got the fried chicken, I kind of want to go to... Why are you backing up too? Why are we both backing up? Girl. I kind of want to go to Bojangles and get some dirty rice now. I wish I had some cabbage. I would cook some cabbage. Oh my gosh. Fried chicken, cabbage, and dirty rice. sounds so good. Because I like to have at least one green. Like, I need some type of greenery to happen. Do Bojangles have green beans? I don't think so. Or do they? I don't know. We might have to get some green beans if they do have green beans. I need a green. I don't know. Don't get me wrong, I could just do a starch, but I need some type of green. Like, I need one. So I'm gonna swing by Bojangles, see if I can get dirty rice, and see if I can get a green. I wish they had okra. Oh my gosh, okra? Now, maybe I'm just hungry. Maybe I'm just hungry because now I'm tripping a little bit. Maybe I'm just a little hungry. But anyway, I am going to swing by Bojangles, see what I can get, and we'll go from there. That's hilarious. Okay, y'all, quick little touch base. I did go to Bojangles. I got these green beans, macaroni, and then dirty rice. And then I already showed y'all I got my chicken from Publix. I did get some half a gallon of iced tea. So yeah, I'm just gonna let this sit because I don't know if B's hungry right now or not. If he is, then we can eat. If he not, it's cool. I'm kind of 50-50, like I could eat, but I don't have to eat. The next thing we're gonna do is bake my cake. I'm actually going to sit down for a bit. I'm gonna take a beat because I need to charge my phone. Because making my cake is gonna be a TikTok video. So I need to charge my phone so I can record the video. So that's where we are. But I just wanted y'all to know I did get my sides from Bojangles and some tea. I didn't even tell y'all about the tea, but that was a good pickup. I'm excited about the tea. So yeah, I'm gonna leave that there for now. We'll see if B is hungry. Is that thunder? Girl, it's been raining all week. I'm so over it. I'm gonna charge my phone. And then when we get back, give you some behind the scenes of me fixing this. All right, babe.
Why he ain't got his glass?
Oh! Cheers!
What? Damn.
Oh, that was good. Maybe another one. That lemon drop shot was
Hey y'all, I am just hopping on camera to close out the vlog. Last night, so this is the thing, it is one of my good friends, her birthday is coming up. She went to Charlotte for her birthday with her 2 other friends that she graduated college with, and of course she wanted me to go. I wanted to go, but due to just adulting, trying to be smart about finances, I passed on the trip. But she's just so cute because she basically called me both days, and I can just tell that she wanted me to be there. I wanted to be there, in a way of her making me feel like I was there and making her feel like I was there. She FaceTimed me majority of the trip. I just love her so much. So y'all saw me take a shot with her on FaceTime. Me and B, we both took a shot with her, multiple. Jesus. And then at 11 p.m. I decided I wanted to bake a cake. and I recorded that for TikTok, which I posted on TikTok today. If you haven't checked that out, if you don't follow me on TikTok, you totally should. I do a lot of my cooking, baking, all the things on there, so check that out. But yeah, the cake was actually delicious. Very, very good, especially if you like chocolate. It's a lot of chocolate. But yeah, so I just wanted to come on and close the vlog so I can start another vlog. I'm actually about to head out and go get groceries, which y'all will probably see on the next vlog. So love y'all, mean it. Hit like and subscribe, turn on your notifications so you don't miss the next video, and I'll see y'all next time.